Hello and welcome to my workshop. My name is Cedric Lochu and I'm a stage designer. I work for many different types of events such as festival, theaters, concert, TV. I look on the internet for different CNC to make some of my work. I found the Blue Elephant company. One of their sellers, Laura, who is a wonderful person, has helped me a lot. Thanks to the advice, I have both a CNC 1325 4-axis. I use it every single day to cut wood, steel and aluminium. This machine really is multi-purpose and allows me to most, if not everything I'm asked for. I deeply thank Laura and Blue Elephant for their CNC machine, which has now become essential to my work. Have a good day. Cedric Lochu.